everybody, this is the Golden Wolf here, and we're going to do some concrete sanding. My friend asked for some just different stuff, so I'm just going to give him the shit that he wants. We're just doing some fucking stuff.
And get him to 500 subscribers and he'll reveal his face.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It'll probably be in like a few years. So just hit subscribe, hit like.
Make sure to like and make sure to like and subscribe. Subscribe to Golden Wolf 1772.
And
now we're gonna do some concrete sanding.
And here is the concrete sanding. Oh my god, this mask is really hot. Yep, I got some more concrete sanding. Yep, that is fine stuff. I wish we had flex tape for this. This would be like way more helpful if we had flex tape.
Should get some close-ups, Colton.
Ooh, look at the concrete. It's very watery and nice. Oh, by the way, the person that's doing concrete sanding is my friend, and yeah. We're just doing some concrete sanding because he's going to get paid for it, and I might as well get money.
Yeah, you might as well document it. So you can get... That's very true.
Dude, plus I bet this video soon is going to get like 500. I bet this video soon is going to get like 1 million views. If like when I'm such a big channel and they want to see my first videos, and then all of those people are like, yeah, first video. Yeah, all of those clickbaiters. Ooh, nice concrete sanding. Just like feel it. Feel the concrete sanding. Yeah, but I bet we'll have like 50 clickbaiters soon, like the whole first video and just all of that shit. We're just doing some ASMR concrete sanding, and that's kind of just like because my friend asked for some different shit. I already do a lot of good videos, but he wanted something different. So okay, he's getting ASMR concrete sanding, and later I will be playing Iron Man on rebar. Dumb shit on this channel, it's dumb shit.
I can't wait for the Iron Man on rebar to come out.
Yeah, maybe it's gonna be today or tomorrow. So.
Yeah, tell them to subscribe so they stay tuned. They don't miss a single.
Oh, by the
video.
way, hit subscribe and hit the little like bell. The bell. I don't know. I don't like doing this because like I'm not that clickbaity YouTuber like Communic Gaming or something like that.
Just call someone out.
It's almost like already sanded concrete, it looks nice.
It almost what?
Also, there's some sanded concrete right there, so that looks pretty nice. And also, I'm going to be doing a V-Bucks giveaway when I hit 20. So, if you want to get at least 2,800 V-Bucks, you'll try to tell your friends about this channel. If we get it to 20, V-Bucks giveaway.
How are you gonna do that?
Gift cards. Just like subs and all of that. Just
So if you subscribe to your channel, then you're gonna give them.
yeah, we'll go and chat and then V-Bucks. It's not shady. I'm not some clickbaiter.
He'll actually give you your V-Bucks.
Yeah, that's some shady clickbaiter.
That's funny.
Dude, I'm already spending like 180 bucks on this channel. Like, do you think that is motivation?
Come on, you guys. You guys gotta show them some love.
Also, this is the concrete setup. Very
You like the plastic bag I'm wearing?
and the plastic bag on my friend.
So I don't get all wet. Innovation that excites.
Yeah. Yeah. Like, I bet soon he'll be wearing this like alien costume from GTA or something.
Yeah. Your next video is you and your alien costume.
Listen to that amazing concert. Sounded the nicest thing ever. Also, this would be nice if you want to annoy your parents or something. Just play that in their face. We might do a 10-hour version soon. Who knows? Yeah, but we'll be doing a V-Bucks giveaway when I get Fortnite. So, if anyone even if they want to be on the channel, like the V-Bucks giveaway for the most V-Bucks will also get a pass to get on the channel. So if you want to get on the channel, you can definitely do that shit.
Do you like a featured video?
We can do some sky bases and all of that. We'll have Fisted Prism here and yeah.
I'll get on, start gaming.
Yeah, I'm just gonna get a chair real quick.
So you left those, you let those run for 15 minutes?
Innovation to have a chair. Chair innovation.
Innovation.
What? It's actually not that. What? Yeah, this video will be about like 10 or 15 minutes. Just concrete sanding. Right now, we're just kind of like. This
one of
might be
his
good
first
ASMR. Just listen to it. Listen to it. It works. It just listen.